Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation for morning mindfulness. My name is Rob from Third Wish, and I'm here to help you begin your day with a sense of clarity, positivity, and purpose. Thank you for taking this time to center yourself and set the tone for the day ahead. Before we begin, make sure you're in a quiet, comfortable space. You can sit on a chair, on a cushion, or even remain in bed if you'd like. Sit upright with your back straight yet relaxed, and rest your hands gently on your lap. Take this time for yourself, free from distractions, and allow your mind and body to be fully present. Now let's begin. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your lungs expand as you fill them with fresh morning air. Hold it for a moment. And now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any lingering tension or sleepiness. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, drawing in energy and vitality. Hold for 3 counts. And then exhale slowly, releasing any heaviness or resistance. As you settle into the rhythm of your breathing, bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body. Feel the connection of your feet on the ground or your body resting where you sit or lay. Allow yourself to feel supported and grounded. Take another deep breath in, hold, and release. As you exhale, imagine letting go of any worries or concerns about the day ahead. There's nothing you need to do right now except breathe and be here in this moment. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a gentle, golden light beginning to flow down, washing over you. This light is warm and soothing, and as it moves, it clears away any lingering tension or negativity. Feel it traveling down to your forehead, your face, and your neck. Let your shoulders soften as the light continues to flow down your arms, your chest, and your back. It moves through your hips, your legs, and finally your feet, leaving you calm, energized, and refreshed. With this calmness in place, let's take a moment to cultivate positivity. Bring to mind one thing you're grateful for this morning. It could be the soft light of the sunrise, the sound of birds outside, or simply the gift of a new day. Hold this thought in your mind and allow it to bring a sense of joy and gratitude into your heart. Now, let's set an intention for the day ahead. Ask yourself, what do I want to focus on today? Perhaps it's being present in your interactions, approaching tasks with patience, or simply finding moments of joy throughout the day. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, visualize this intention spreading throughout your entire being, guiding you like a gentle compass. Spend a few moments visualizing your day. Imagine yourself moving through it with ease and clarity. See yourself handling challenges with confidence and grace. Picture the smiles of people you might encounter, the satisfaction of completing your tasks, and the peace you feel at the end of the day. Let this vision bring a sense of purpose and optimism into your heart. As you continue to breathe deeply, silently repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I welcome this new day with an open heart and a clear mind. I am capable of meeting today's opportunities and challenges with grace. I choose to focus on positivity, gratitude, and purpose. Repeat these affirmations a few times, allowing their meaning to sink in with each repetition. Feel the energy of these words taking root within you, ready to guide you through the day. Once again, I welcome this new day with an open heart and a clear mind. I am capable of meeting today's opportunities and challenges with grace. I choose to focus on positivity, gratitude, and purpose. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Take a deep inhale, feeling the air energizing your body. Hold it for a moment, then exhale, grounding yourself fully in the present moment. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if that feels good. And when you're ready, open your eyes, returning to the day ahead with a sense of clarity, positivity, and purpose. I thank you for joining me this morning for this morning mindfulness meditation. My name is Rob from Third Wish, and I hope this practice helps you move into your day feeling a bit more centered and inspired. Remember, the energy you create within yourself in the morning has the power to influence your entire day. You can return to this practice anytime you need a reset or a moment of grounding. Have a wonderful day ahead, and I look forward to meditating with you again real soon.